I'm all packed up, and I think I better get out of here. This storm's only getting worse, and the snow's getting deeper, and my fingers are so cold. Yeah, this was a good shelter, but it is quickly filling up with snow. Probably got 5 feet of snow has accumulated in the foot of the trench since I got up this morning. When you see that, it's time to go home. Time to get out of here. Which way do I go? If I can get into the trees, I can get a block from the wind. My fingers are so cold I can't get my car keys out of my pocket. It's a little blustery out there.